All right, so we're going to do a dial indicator test for the vertical axis on this Okamoto 450DX. So what we have here right now is a Mitsutoyo digital indicator set in millimeter, and it is at 0, if you can see that. And then we have our digital readout on the control box at 0. So I'm going to select the manual pulse generator on 10x and dial this, let's say, down to 500. And we check our indicator there. We're at 0.498. Let's do it again. I'm going to go back here from the 500 and go back down to 0 again. And then we're at 0 on our indicator. So now I'm going to go again to value here. Let's go to 500. There. 0.498 there. We can go beyond, come back to 500. Now we're at exactly 500 on both indicators. Okay, again, we're going to go back to 0 here. And go back to our dial indicator. We are at 0.001 of a millimeter. And then we can go back down here again to the .500. And we're at 0.051. So we're going to take a look at the indicator on the machine. Excuse me. Zoom in on the numbers as we go back and forth with the table. .419, 422. So we probably want to grind this magnet. It's high on this end. Go back to the center where we were at 5. Going across. Okay. So as far as the moving of the slide, let's move this up. We can start the grinding spindle. That is the sound of the spindle. If you want to bring the camera a little closer to pick that up a little. And I'll shut that off. That was the hand wheel disengaging. This is your longitudinal travel. And that's it. Thank you. All right, so we set this up now so that I can just have the y-axis or the cross slide or the saddle feeding in and out. Now, this is an electronic feed here. And as you can see, it's nice and smooth and nice and quiet. And that's it. Thank you.